Today, we are going to have fun quiz time on Easter Festival. Easter is a holiday celebrating Jesus' resurrection. Kids enjoy egg hunts and decorating eggs. Families come together for joyful festivities. What is the most popular jelly bean color? Red. How many chocolate bunnies are made each year? $90 million. What color was the first dyed Easter egg? Red. What part of a chocolate bunny do most people eat first? The ears. How many countries in the world celebrate Easter? 95. What is the most popular Easter candy other than chocolate? Peeps. Is doing laundry on Easter good or bad luck? Bad luck. What state did the Easter Bunny first appear in? Pennsylvania. What is the traditional Easter flower? Lily. What Easter event is held at the White House every year? Egg roll. To watch more such videos, please subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video.